just doing a site video of a Palletech system, a Mazak FH6000. There are 3 machines in this system. This one has a Mazak 640M. They all have tool hives, have 320 tools, high pressure system. This machine that we're walking by is 2007, but it's got about 20 grand worth of repairs. There's a Fanuc robot that comes with it, which is a load-unload system. Kind of working right in the middle of the hive here, but it's a big system. These 2 machines, machine 1, machine 2, are both 2002. As you can see, they've been run. Big chip removal. And it has what's called a Palletech high-rise system. So it's up for sale. It's running parts every day.